So hello there and welcome back to the video. In today's tutorial I will walk you through how to create your own tarpaulin layout in Canva step by step. So let's get started, but before we jump in, make sure to check the link in the description box or in the pinned comment. So first of all, you have to search for the Canva on your PC, or if you're on your phone or Android, you can just search for their official app on the App Store or Google Play Store. Now let's move forward to the next steps. Before creating your design, you should know some standard tarpaulin sizes. So they're like 72 into 30 inches, which is 6 into 3 feet. This is popular for events. Wait, so let me show you tarpaulin Canva sizes. Okay, let me show you. Wait, so there are 6 into 3, 72 into 36, and 4 into 2, which is 48 into 24, like 4 into 2 feet, and the last one is 36 into 2, 4 inches, which is good for small banners. So you can search tarpaulin Canva size on Google. Right here I searched for it, and you can check the standard formats used in your region. So now you have to go to Canva. On the home page you can tap on to create as design, and from there you can tap on to custom size. This is the second last option. Tap onto this and change the unit from pixels to inches, like for example 72 the width, and the height should be around 36. Okay, so this is pretty much it, and you can choose your pixels. Okay, so it is, as you can see, it is saying in dimensions must be at least 40 px. So okay, px. Now look, wait, let me okay, 40, right? Now you can create a new design, then tap onto it. Here's a tip that always use high resolution images for large format tarpaulins to avoid pixelation during printing. Now you can use pre-made banner. Like you can use pre-made banner templates by searching banner in the search bar. Here you can search for banner, and then tap enter. Also, you can build a layout from scratch on your custom sized canvas. As I showed you, you can browse the templates right here. So I will choose a free one. This is a little bit smaller one. Okay, wait, let's add again. Here you can see, you can search for banners here. Okay, let me choose this one. This is a pretty much good, and from there you can type tarpaulin or banner. Also you can search for tarpaulin. Let me show you, and it will show you some results here. Maybe I have just mistaked the typing, so just search for banner, and here we go. You will find multiple types of banners. So as you can see, let me end this one. This one is good. Yeah. Now you can start designing by adding the following things, which is like graphics and images. You can go to elements and search for your graphics and images if you want to add this type of images on your formats. So let me show you. You can detach image. Also you can just add a random frame from here. So for example, I'm going to show you how to add a frame. Let me delete this one. You can see here, you can also search for frames on elements and then choose your preferred frames from here. For example, I'm going to choose this one. This one is pretty good. First of all, let me delete the previous one. Now you can add custom images. Now to add images, you have to go to uploads, and from there you can just browse your PC, your browser, and then choose an image. For example, I'm gonna choose this one right now and then add it to the image. As you can see, it is already added to the image. Now in order to change the text here, you can just double click on them and then tap backspace and type the text you want to add. Like for me, I will add digital products. Now also you can add any other things if you want, and if you want to add fully customized text, then you can just simply delete this text, and here you can see the third option called text. Tap onto it, and from there you can see a lot of types of fonts. You can just choose your preferred font and then add it to here. So you can just customize it then by double clicking on it. And now let me show you how you can change the color of it. So first of all, you have to choose the text, and from there, here at the middle of the screen, like homepage, you can tap onto this one called text, which is basically a symbol. Tap onto this, choose the text, then tap onto this A, and from there you can change the color. Also you can use random gradient types of color from here. So first of all, you can choose okay, this one is pretty good. So for now I'm gonna add this color. This is pretty much good. Now let me edit the next color. So I will add it to this color. Yeah, that is pretty much cool. Now if you want to edit background and borders, let me show you how you can do it. If you want to add a solid background color or subtle gradient, you can just search border in elements, like search for borders, border. Now you will get a lot of types of border from here. You can just add a simple border here, but for now I'm not gonna add any borders. Okay, now I'm gonna add a background image right now. So search for background in the elements, and from there you will see a lot of type of background images. Also you can choose it from here, as I am choosing it. Okay, now let me send it to backwards layer, then send it to center back. Okay, now if you want to add an image, you can just simply go and add this. So as you can see, this is how you can add background images. So if you want more pages to add, then you can simply tap onto this option called add page, and here you go, you can add a new page for your banner. Now you can customize it like before, as I showed you. You can customize it simply and very easily. So Canva is easier than Photoshop, and you can create a banner in less timer than Photoshop. Okay, now you can add final touches, like you can also add sparkles from here. You can add some tools, like you can draw something here if you want. Okay, let me lock it first. Okay, wait a bit, and then lock this. I'm gonna delete this one. Let me delete this, and I don't want it right now, so I'm just gonna go with this one. Okay, now let me unlock it and keep it in the right place. Now lock. That's pretty much it. Now you can add any type of logo you want to add from here. For example, this one you can choose here, and you can add anything you want. So I just showed you, but I don't want to add anything, so I will just keep it default. Okay, I should add something. I should change the color to this. Okay, that is, let me send it to the backwards layer, then send backwards. Now it looks good. So as you can see, this is how you can edit your banner. Now let me show you how you can export it. At the top right corner, you can see this option called share. From the share, you can just simply tap onto download, and now you can choose the quality to download and then tap onto download, and this will be downloaded to your PC within no time. So this is how you can make a tarpaulin layout in Canva in the easy steps. you just have created a professional looking tarpaulin layout in Canva. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe and comment down below with any questions. Would you like a downloadable checklist or template to go with this tutorial? Let me know in the comments section. And that's it for today. See you in the next video.